Hi, Norman. How you doing? Okay, so I think that it's an interesting approach. I do. I think tracking your baby's habits is really super interesting. But we really want to get this down to usable information. So, in other words, right now you're saying my baby sleeps, plays, eats, and naps. Okay. What is the difference between sleep and nap? I'm not sure. Is that nap? I'm not real sure what that means right there. That I thought that said nap, but that's sleep. So that's something that's really not clear right there. Also, you've got these indicated here. So what are these kind of orbiting icons? What are they indicating? And then what is this? Is this one day or is this the entire week? So do you see what I'm saying? I mean, just looking at this, there's a lot of information that's missing here. I think at this point, and I don't mean to sound discouraging, but I don't think this is usable data at this point. Or I shouldn't say it. I should say I don't think it's a usable representation of data because there's nothing here that's detailing what's going on. So for example, so sleep and milk are really super close. So I would definitely demarcate a difference in that. So you're saying in this, I'm seeing that your baby sleeps the most, eats second most, plays third, and then I'm not sure what that is. It's not. Yeah. So I'm not real sure what that is. I thought that said nap at first, but I'm just not even sure. I'm not sure if that even says nap. I'm really, really unclear on that. So we have that information. Though this is what my baby does most. This is what my baby does second most. This is what my baby does third, and then this is what my baby does fourth in that order, right? So that's good as an overall depiction of your baby's activities. However, what are these? I just don't know what these orbiting icons are. They're indicating color, but what is the relationship of these to this? Okay. Also, I would recommend adding some sort of a time frame to this. So, in other words, is this a day or is this the whole week? And then you could even take this a little bit further and say, okay, I'm doing 7 days a week, have each one of these for each day of the week, right? And then you would say, okay, so you would make a demarcation. So this inner circle is between 8 o'clock and noon. All right, so then you could have how much he eats, how much he sleeps, how much he naps, how much he plays, and then noon to 4 on another concentric circle, indicating the same thing, and then 4 till 9 or 8 or so when he goes to bed, right? So you're saying these three different periods during the day, this is how my baby spends his activity, right? Then you create 7 of those and you have the entire week. Now you've got some data that you can use. Do you see what I'm saying? Right now, this is just overall data, and you don't even need an infographic for this. You could just say, okay, my baby, this could be textually. So my baby sleeps, what is that? 40% of the time, eats 35% of the time, plays 25% of the time, and then whatever the remainder is. You see what I'm saying? So I would like to see you just kind of drill down a little bit deeper here, give this a little bit more thought, and really think of how you can make this some interesting and usable data. Okay, thanks, Norman. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. Thank you.